peeps, it's Anna here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always it's such a pleasure to join you. So we're going to be looking at a grade 8 natural science energy and change question taken from the Herzia Middle School November 2015 exam paper. So let's have a look. The question reads, the imbalance of charges in a material is what? And the options given are A, current, B, resistance, C, electrostatic, or D, power. Okay, so first let's define all of these four terms before we get down to choosing the correct answer. So A, current. Current is the rate at which charge flows through a surface. Okay. B, resistance. Resistance is a measure of the opposition to current flow. C, electrostatic is the imbalance or means the imbalance of charges on or within a material. And D, power. Power refers to the rate of doing work. So having defined all of those, now we know that the imbalance of charges in a material is electrostatic. So our answer here is C. A is not the answer because, like we said, this is the rate at which charge flows through a material or a surface. B is also incorrect because this denotes the measure of opposition or resistance to current flow within a material. And power is also not correct because this refers to the rate of doing work. Therefore, our answer is C. Okay, so that's that for this question. But before I go, I'd like to say thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Do read about them in the description given. Also remember that you can head over to our website for more of these epic tutorials. And if you can't find the answer to your specific question, you can send us your question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you, complete with a shout out. Alright, so until the next time, stay epic.